Happy birthday, Fazan. Wish you all the best in life. May you soar great heights. Have a great day. Fantastic year ahead. Cheers and God bless.
Happy birthday, Farzan. Wish you all the very best.
Hey bro, on this special occasion, I would like to dedicate a poem for you. फरजान पटेल खोपड़ी में तेल एसएससी में फेल लड़की को देख के सीधा जेल. As a kid, this used to be my jam, and I guess it was okay since you are fam. Now we are older, a bit bolder, but I'll always remember all your hacks and advice because they surely had an impact on my life. Remember in Damman how we used to wake up early, and as soon as the clock struck 10:30, we were right outside on the veranda with our good old bat, ready to get all dirty and sweaty. Oh, how I wish we could go back in time and replay all those days, not wasting a single minute in vain. And maybe this time I could defeat you and make you go through that pain. For me, you'll always be my elder brother, and I know you'll always be there for me without a shudder. You are the keeper of my secrets and my mistakes, and I know you won't ever let them out no matter the stakes. On this special occasion, I would like to wish you many happy returns of the day, and I hope that you stay healthy, safe, sound and gay. Love you, bro.
Wish you the best always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Farzan. May God bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity.
Happy birthday, Farzan!
Hi Farzan, many happy returns of the day. May you have a great year ahead, and hopefully you can put all of the lessons that you've learned all through across your life to good use in the year ahead, and move forward, progress, and most importantly be happy. And happy birthday once more. Good luck.
Hey bro, what's up? Wishing you many happy returns of the day from me and Danish. I've always adored one thing about you, that you never have tried to change anyone, or force anyone doing something. You always loved and respected them the way they were. We all love you a lot, bro. Take care.
Farzan, my cutest and the most funniest buddy I have for life. Many happy returns of the day, my darling friend. Stay blessed and stay the way you are. Do not change. But yes, the most important change I would like to see in you is hitting the gym ASAP. Shed that extra kilos and probably drink a little less, eat a little less, but do not change the way you are. And looking forward to see you, Farzan, very soon. Probably the way we always met. And yeah, may you have a bright year ahead, filled with love and happiness. And do know that I'm always there for you throughout your life. You take care, and a very happy birthday to you. Love much. Take care. Bye.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू फरजान, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे फरजान. गॉड ब्लेस यू. तंदुरुस्ती खोड़ा तने घणું ઘણું આપે.
हाय फरजान, हैप्पी बर्थडे. तंदुरुस्ती रहेजे, पढ़ाई तने घणું ઘણું આપે.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Farzan. God bless you and enjoy your day. Cheers.
Happy birthday Farzan.
Hi Farzan, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Farzan, happy birthday. Wish you best of luck. God bless.
Hi Farzan, happy birthday. Thank you so much for being my such a good friend. I wish you lots of love and happiness. We'll meet you soon after lockdown.
Happy birthday Farzan. I wish you have an amazing birthday, and
I wish you all the success and happiness in life. I just miss those days we had in Educastine and especially the time spent with Meloni and Sunil. Oh my god, I can never forget that. Anyways, party hard and yeah, happy birthday, cheers.
Birthday Farzan, God bless. Have a great year ahead. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Farzan. Stay blessed. Stay happy.
Hi Farzan, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one. And I know it's, bad times right now, but still, you can enjoy your birthday with your spirits. I see your Snapchats. You and your spirits. It's a good birthday. And one more thing is about a time back, we had so much fun. We went to clubbing almost when royalty was there in Bandra. I still remember it was lovely time spending with you, and you're very lucky to have that girlfriend who's doing so much for you. So happy birthday, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.
KMK Farzan, wish you many happy returns of the day, bro. I'm just reminding all the memories that we had in concerts together. Had a lot of fun with you. Hope to see you again. Hope to join soon in concerts. Take care. God bless you, bro.
Hi Farzan, happy birthday, brother. It's been a long time I've seen you and we have met, but I still remember you, a part of Mawali group. You guys will be always remembered, no matter how old we get and how many years we don't meet for, but I still remember the Mawali group and you will always be a part of our lives. Happy birthday, brother Bawa, once again. Cheers.
Baby, let's go.
अरे बाबा, फरजान का बर्थडे।
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर्स पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो टू मच है तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है